Andrei Baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakongsan mentah kesni kilong. Ai jinghikai ke office DC Ribhoi ya ki Samla ki bakwa kam shipai. Sya ot pedot urang ba layuk kem mardor jau runar. Lalap Ndriu hajar arspa sab kuwengut ki kena ki badon ki sab delek kai na ki nong kendong. Ban tenra katrok ya kakali bayeng harut surok. Bat mentang nginya pai syaki khubor ki bakambania. Ka office Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi haka jingat trelang bat ka office District Sports haka singi khat artarik Naiwieng kila penlong ya ka program ai jing hikai bandrung kam shipai lane ka training program for army recruitment ya ki Samla ka Ribhoi bat ki bala depthep ki kot kisla na ka banta ka kam shipai. Ya kani ka program la penlong ha district library nongpo bat hamadan NSCA paham sim. Lengba kani ka program ai jing hikai la sedang menta ka singi khat artarik Naiwieng bat kan kut hadu ka khan nyo tarik Naiwieng. Ki Samla kilayo shibun ki jing mentoy bat jing shampang wat tang hakani ka sngi ningkong. Ya ki wei pat ki jinit ki jinan kino hikai kinsa sam ban pensyai haki sngi ban wan. Hakani ka program sedang ladon lang ka kong balakenti rani ADC Ribhoi district u Major Venkat Reddy bat ki Samla na them Ribhoi.
Ini. Anyo kan no. Nyung tuan ni. Mana? Mana ni nyo ni? Mana? Yang ni nyo betul lah.
Okay, this training, as you're all aware, is for those candidates who have cleared the written test and will appear for the recruitment rally for Agriweed on the 10th to the 12th December at Umrah Cantonment. So, under the leadership and initiative of our Deputy Commissioner, the District Administration, in collaboration with the Office of the District Sports Officer, has arranged this training. It's a month-long training for all those candidates so that it will help them in their next test, okay, that is the physical efficiency test. So without much ado, I would like to impress upon our young guests over here, over our candidates, that this is indeed an opportunity for all of you to learn a lot from Major Venkat, who is going to deliver a short pep talk today along with the presentation. After this presentation, we will be heading to Paham Sim ground, where we will be heading or will be having a month-long coaching from the Office of the District Sports Officer as well as from the police to guide you in appearing for the physical efficiency test. So this is an opportunity for the youth of our district who have cleared the written test, and also an opportunity for those who aspire to join Agriweed from next year. So we would like every one of you to spread the word about such opportunities so that in the next phase, in the next year, we could see more youth joining. And we should also thank our Deputy Commissioner who have initiated such a good training program to equip a youth in training them to appear for both the written and the physical efficiency test. So we've already run ahead.
Don't believe anyone. Okay, don't believe anyone, don't give money to any.
Haka step senya khat artarik Naiwieng haka puar kumbashi baje AA. Kawe ke jingja ka bashir kay haka shnong rimyar jang ka than mauet West Khasi Hills. Haka ba we urang ba ula yap no hashen hadin ba ula sha penyap dusmon dakaba syaot na upudon. Katkum kita long khubor balayo laong ba uni urang ba balatip kerteng kumu box star solang san posnem nasionong mau klam nong pendeng la subajur ba ulasha penyap dusmon hawe urunar uba kerteng upis wel langren. Laong ru hadien kete kajingja bashir kei uta urunar ula pet no obak na kete kajaka. Henrei da kajing shim kia jong ki bor sensyar shnong bat ki pat ba layo ban kem no yau da ki pulit. Ki pulit ki layat hu ki jing tokit benia halor kanika kam runar penya brew kidang ya syakmat. Haka jingwat yaki kena red bat Samla lut kentei bat shenrang hakeleng ki distrik jong KHUBOR. Kinong penya yaka Meghalaya State Olympic Association MSOA kalashem hadu hendriu hajar arspa saub huwengut kidan kasab bat kabor met ban syak hikai pentebit na kebentai kijat jingalek kai babunjat hakane kejuk mentah. Na kini ki hendriu hajar arspa saub huwengut kibalashem bakidan kisab elek kai bat day ban penroi ban pentebit bat ban penjanai bakin long ki champion hakis number 1 ar hajar sanspa prapu khandai ngut kilong ki babiang ban syak hikai haka football kan ba ki wei pat lai hajar hendriu spa san pu ar ngut la shem ba kilong ki babiang ban syak hikai haki jingelek kai babunjat. Uba John F. Kharsiying, Working President MSOA, ulayat hu ubaya ka program wat kena elekai la sedang nadu ka arhuai tarik risau ha Shillong nang ta la penlong ha kliriat Jowai, Nongston, Mairang, Bhoirembong, Nongpo, Tura, Tikrikila, bat ha kandriu tarik Naiwieng ha Ampati. En beteng biang ya kini ki program nadu ka tayo beningkong uno opera hadin ki examination jong ki kena school.
.1 very good. 3.1, 3.0, very good, very good. Keep it up. Station. So 20 meters sprint, the vertical jump, the compass drill, and the 10-meter speed ladder run. And we are at Ampati Indoor Stadium, Southwest Garo Hills District. We are thankful to Honorable Chief Minister Conrad K. Samla and Shakla Wajri, Sports Minister, Honorable Sports Minister, and the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs for supporting this program, which is identifying talent in a methodological manner on a scientific basis based on data, and it is already showing results, results are benchmarks are being created, records are being created. We are finding exceptional talent in various rural areas, and through this we hope to nurture these talents to a next level. So we are testing 10,000 this year in the 3rd edition. It was launched in March by Honorable Chief Minister, and then subsequently we had the Lok Sabha and all that. We had to hold on, and arrangement of the logistical arrangement of travelling with a team of 20 people all over the districts. We have completed in most of the districts in Khasi and Jaintia Hills. Now we are moving in Garo Hills. We were in Tura, we were in Tikrikila, today we are in Ampati, and then we will break for the exams and then come back after the exams.
Unongnya ketrok ML iwe sao lai henriu hakapor sao shiteng menstep ula tenra ya ketrok NL not iwe adi san iwe laisan kabakit mau etnar kabadang yeng harut surok hakat armer jorabat kani ketrok kabalalit tenra kala julor jur. Unongnya ula sakut hadu arkenta namar emla seishu namar ki kejat jong u kila kedia. Ki pulit kila poi hakane kejaka bat kila se ya uni unongnya nakataka kali. Lai tili ki kalitan kila poi hakata kajaka bat kilala aban se ya unongnya bat laweng ya kini ki artili ki trok syarut surok. Ya unongnya lakit marmar sya Guwahati Medical College Hospital ban yo ya kijing sumar bakerki. Ki pulit kila kem ya kini ki artili ki trok. Kali niam jong kahima khairim balaju tip kum ka pom blang nongkrem kalapoi syakasngi bakut. Hakabala penlong da kapur kasiang balakot kasyat pom blang nongkrem. Man usnem halumpung syat hakmat ka ying sat ying sunon jong kahima hasmit. Ya kani ka jing syat kemen lale ahadin bala pendep ya ka kenya ka kriam kaduai ka pirat babunjat ka balane syitayo kenti. Hakasngi bakun ki khun ki hajar na keleng ka it kahima ki tu chayeng sat yeng sunon hasmit ban sakhi ya kapur kasyang kasyat ka kemen bat ka le kemen le tamasa halumpung kani ka yeng kentang. Laki spa ngut ki thai soti na keleng kishnong kahima rengkat bat karyam syat bapu daki rong bat thaba pranai ki hiar bat ki yu kejat ban syat kemen syat ngobha rengkat kanyam karukom kumba labu ki pa kulong kuma. Kirang da jit juan Daka Bokhaila hakaryam syat bakensai ki hiar ban ker tawyar ban yada ya ki para ki persa ki basyat hapadeng lempung kat ba yaladi ki masti saudong ban ker banda yala ki jat ki khong na ki ksui ki krei. Usim ukme Dr. Balajit Singh im rengkat ki bakrau batri kas im sat bat ki longdin jangka rengkat ki pat berlin na keleng ka hima ki pet it bat pet yap bit ya ki rangkan sai bat ki thai soti nala baki yashat halumpung yeng sat pan kemen ban ngobha hakmat ublei nongbu nong thau. Kasyat pomblang nongkrem hakani kasnem khat ar tarik Naiwieng arhajar arpusau kan sa kan mau junom. Haba ulat ke jela CH Vijaya Shankar ulawan daladehi ban pelat patba ya kahima khairim act arhajar arpusau kaan batmai kaba udang syidap soy hakini ki khendiat sngi. Kilendam ki kenram ki bala sakhi yakni ka jing pelat patba jong ulat ki kentup ya Deputy CM Bas Nya Bhalang Dhar Chief Justice ka Meghalaya High Court Indra Prasana Mukherjee bat CM KHUDC ba penyat Singh im ki MLA bat MDC ki bakrau batri jong kahima. Ya ki dulir jong kane la IT hakikti jong upaim Dr. Balajit Singh im kahima khairim. Upaim Dr. Balajit Singh im upen pau ke jing ngokmen hadien ba ulat ke jela ula ai ya kemuhar halor ka anjo kahima ka balalong ke jing kerku ya kahima kamtam habayade bat kasensyar ka khadar kiriti ki dustur bat kanyam ka rukom jong kani kahima. UCM KHUDC ba penyat Singh im ulaong ke jing ai muhar ulat ya ka anjo kahima kabala sandur da ka district council kalapan scam shu ya ka niam ka rukom jong kahima khairim bat 6 don shu bala ban penki ya ka le niam le rukom jong kahima nangni syakmat.
District Council, nomination, succession, and election of scheme, duty scheme, Bosco to President under the District Council Affairs under the workmanship of the CEO of KHUBOR. Once again, all the spectators who have come from near and far to has handed over the current Speech Act 2024 to the Chief of the Meghalaya, Dr. Balajit
Ya kabil jong khairim act ngadap dak jeng kemen hal negasi kelar tarik Naiwieng usnem arho arsal pengilai on pendep ya ka syat sisnem syat nongkrem syat berlenium kahima khairim pengin pelong man snem man punsa pne ya keriti kedustur agar sencar kadar kaniam kurkom bat tem keput kasyar kemen hagani sini silka dei kasi besai besai baru sini nado mustep nado benok kejan ikon siem syam menang inong syat mensi te keding bon jing inong syat mentang si lestaki ba ke bangi pendep kalong ke bagi kon kajar pedang banyo ia ta ka kya ka sai kanang ke bet ke biang ka poho pai mansa kiriti sencar kumlaseng labu gilong syam chwa barengkat berkerja sencar dia menderu ketem keput kasat kemen nelor keleniam dia kan sini apalagi ia kan kejing job jong ka kam mendak sini jaga jing dan rengkat ubli trai kan nong thau nong bu ban pendap ban penbiang ya ka na yo ru yang jing don jong governor jong Meghalaya mula ai ya kejing benjur ya kabil jong ka administration jong ka himak herem ya ka bolosai gani ka teu ladap polawan ban pelat ya ka hangnia smith menta kasi kini kalong kasi sa kan mau ya ka darbar ka jengi ba governor wani kani kasi ban pelat ya ka nang ta ka burom ka jok hima bagi kon kajar kinyo ya ka bha kamiat ba kasuk kasan ba kasencar kadar ini betul ki da kariti sencar kemudian rengkat bekaan ya ke ba ide menye pendep pendiang na kamta kesencar kadar nadu kesnong katau kerat kemuluk ke hima kesima himar tatin ba kene kejing aibor hima kanon ra ya kejing bha jing miat na kamta kikon kajar ya kiba kede kamram joi menyadai ka hok jeki ban sumar ya ka hok ka jong ka hima na ka por ka pa kenang bagi pateng ibai yo pateng hadin ya kini kesecar kadar kin chingai kin kamstrok
ke ka jing mentoy ya ka ban yo ya ka jing menjor nolat ya ka ni ka bel ban pelong an kalong ba ya ka ni ka practices ne kiriti to store ki bladon hak ni ka hima khairim nadu ka sinshar ka khadar de ki spa snem hadu kale niam le rukom kasyat ke masjid bat kiwai kiba ke hima kala jubut renti dia ka jingkai long shwa menshwa la penne pensa da kani ka an benta bat kata di kalong ka jingjom dia ka hima khairim hibro kawet banang ni syakmat enam la syu mano ban benki lene ben pensinjor dia ka sinshar khadar hangni nadu ka sinshar skim hadu karaj hadu krishnat raj hadu krishnong ini kisodar shnong kelayat pe dia renti hapo jong pernikahan bat om tang kata wat ya ka pomlang skim lene ka shat nong krem bat kiriti dustur ki babun ki balale haki raj lene krishnat raj haki bitwi ki jaka hapo ka hima khairim kanlong dabla itu da kabor jong ka ai de kata di ka bagi penpawi ke jingkemen ba nangni syakmat ka hima khairim kaladon yala ka jong ka sti ka bakhlai yala ka jong ka jingeda ka bakhlai hapo jong ka nikaan den nak yang jungi dikit pok kerjang ya ka hima khairim pro kawe hapo jong ngelam jungi Dr. Baladit sing kum ipaim rangba baim kena bat ki bakrau ki menteri ki longsan ki mansan bat kumju ki lingdo baro bat khamtam ki sodar shnong ki rangwa shnong bahap hapo jong ka hima khairim omduna dia ka khat sau spa teli ki shnong mentala syak pen kubor da ka an hadin bala yo e kene ka an dena kaliang jumi ni pen pau ya ka jingkemen bat jingai khuble ju kubor khamtam ya ka state government kabla ide bantha ya kene ka bill ka jungi ulat ka jilla bat nakaliang juni ai khuble ru yo ulat ka jilla UCH Vijaya Shankar uba laai kabuhor ne ka jing itu lene ka asen ya ka ni ka bel ka jungi balalong an benta nang ni shakmat te
Hakasin baningkong kirang bat ki thei mixed martial arts na kane ka jilla Meghalaya kin sayo lat ban peni ya ki sab bat ki jing tibit hakane ka jat jing ale kai ka ba kinong ale kai na kane ka jilla kilas dang ban pau haki babun kirensan ki balalong shabar jilla Kipat ba kin sasaki ya kani ka jing le kai haka tamasa cherry blossom ka ban salong haka khandri tarik Naiwieng 8,000 pusau Hakani ketamasa kinong yalek kai na kelengkari India bat nabari kentup na Afghanistan bat Russia kin sawan ban penina yakani ka jingelek kai hamadan kurkalang ribhoi district.
Di hagajo lapor niya kublay yaka Roxy Entertainment Group bat kunjuk yaka government Meghalaya. Nomor kawala ai ni gani platform kampan di fighters juni bat kunjuk ni kinong pekar minyo ban mat ni ga enemy. Te hagan kong kani ka Meghalaya cage fight lembaga cherry blossom New York ban along dengan exhibition fights. Te ka jiksmo jangan kadai ngai atau tawi bahasa lendo na team revolution blushing dengan kabu ikal alam nanti ini ban yo ya kan ka lat kani ban yo ban minyo ban sapriam ya ka MLE happening ka community juni. Tehakani ka Meghalaya cage fight kapan salong hakani ka cherry blossom festival kinyo ban pe ki fighters naga state jami ban peni ki sak talent jami persha ki fighters na kiwi bat ki states ban ndai tang kiwi ki states ro na bar jilla naka bar ka ri jami kunju kindan ki fighters ki banwan na do na Russia ban Afghanistan ki ban chimta. Tiki fighters naka jilla jami nidon ki fighters ki lapau ha kumiba jami nungrum ki bala gobdan kamsho ban penitho te idaran kharshandi ibla jujok ya nationals MMA tingidon naka lian nidon bestar bala pau ha aka national level te kumjo kidon ki kenthe ki banya fight te kani nawa watra attention na badai nomor bunsin ki ong ba kani gamle ka sport ki kenthe andre hange phi ki kenthe ki ba display ki talent ki takadi ga jin toy ban kar chiki ki kenthe ka ta ba banche me ka sport nomor ka tan ka jin toy nomor ta self defense jo te napdeng ki north east fighters ki banwan na kiwi ki jilla nidan ki banwan ki fighters ki batbet ha po Manipur, Nagaland, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram dan kunjung naka state jami. Tena mainland India pat nidon ki fighters ki banwan nadu Uttarakhand. Na Uttarakhand kadon kui ka gym ka bala army ki fighters ki bala pawa ki bala poi haro ka UFC level kunjo. Te bat kunjo na Maharashtra kendon ki fighters ki banwan. Tekajing beli ni penlong ke MMA. Nama apa nungkong ke MMA kali ke sport kapa kebegiong kata ka fastest growing sport in the world. Mo te kadang kajing mentoy bangin le ke MMA nama apa ngapet nutan lemba ke UFC. Baru ki itu ke MMA. Te kalong exciting ni gibrio ban Peit nomor ka MMA ka stang kum ka sport mencoba bagi test kawai ka sport persyak kawai kum bagi test dia ka karate persyak ka taekwondo persyak ka boxing persyak ka wrestling handrai benta kala evolve kani ka MMA kalau ada ka specialized sport ba ki pendekam dan baru ki techniques martial arts ki pendekam ban job ni. Tiki rules and regulations ru menta ka alam kian ma menta ki fighters namar bagi perkhat khampang menta ka safety to the fighters te bunsin ki brio ki ong bakalong violent andre ka MMA shisin bakla train pinang ban sumasha lagi te hawa kongsan ya pat beli ni encourage
Pada itu ki khubor ngla poi shakabakun tat hadu bangin daya syambiang khublai shibun.